Hi everyone. So this series is meant to be a very basic introduction to BC. We're going to start with the most basic things, maybe a sales order, and then move on to a purchase order, and so on. So in today's lesson, let's have a look at sales order. Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a sales order in BC. First, from the dashboard, I'll go to the search bar and type sales order, and I'll select sales order from the list. So this shows me the list of sales orders that are there in the system. So we're going to start with creating a new sales order. So I press the new button. So this opens up the sales order. And the next thing I need to do is select a customer. So, oops, sorry. So this will show me the list of customers I have in the system. So let's assume that Adaptim is my customer for now. And I press OK. So what this will do is that it'll pull out all the data that I have of Adaptim to the sales order. So now I will have to add an item. So let's assume that um, this item, Paris gesture, is what is the requirement for them. So there's another way. If I want to see, like, imagine if I want to see the whole inventory for them, I can just look at here. I can see that I have three quantities with me. So I'm going to select this. It's okay. I'm just going to sell them, like, say, two of them. If I press so I can see that the cost of it is coming in from the item master data. Let's just give it a minute. I don't know. System seems to be a bit slow today. Okay, so so now I can see that the quantity is two, and each of them being 125. The total cost is this much. All that is good. Always make sure you check your values, and the planned delivery date is on 4th, and everything else seems to be okay here. Uh, and after which you just have to create post sorry, release. So this sales order is now released, and if you want to, like, for example, say once the sales order is completed, you can do posting, and you can just say, okay, it's been shipped, it's been once the money comes in, it can be invoiced from here as well. So I'm just gonna ship it, and there you go. So let's have a look at the sales order. It's released, and we have all the data from here. Okay, now I'm going to show you something, another way of looking at it. So this is going to be your first screen. So if I want to go to sales order, I can always go from sales and then sales order. Before you make a sales order, always make sure that you have the items stored, or if you have plenty of item in the inventory. So you can see that when we started off, we had three. Right now we have only one. That means that two of them have has been sold off. Now if I go back, I can look at the customer list from here. Okay, that seems to be fine. And let's go back to the sales order and then just check whether the sales order is still there. So this shows me how to create a sales order and how to ship it. Now, if I want to invoice it, I can go back again. I can say invoice, and the invoice for this would be created. So from the same screen, I can complete the whole of sales cycle. So once the invoicing is done, the sales order would disappear from here. Thank you.